Okay, the next thing I want to address is this wheel. Again, I've never owned one of these, or I've never owned a McLane, I guess. So I don't know that much about them. I'm just trying to do what I think I know what to do. I don't know how this axle comes out of here. Well, we may be doing this on the machine because it looks like we're threaded on both ends. So without taking the frame apart, I'm not sure how you get that out of there. Not that one. No, it's only threaded in that one side. Hang on a minute. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. Stay right there. We'll be back. I'll figure it out. We'll get it out of here. It looks like this is gonna have to be spread apart just a bit, but I don't have enough sand in my shorts to bend that over. Hang on, we'll get it off. Okay, all I did was got a little crescent wrench and adjustable wrench. pushed that on a little bit. That side came out and then it just pulled right out. So we're going to leave that. But with this being where I couldn't see it, these tires are all cracked up. So I'm going to take a couple measurements. But there's the bearing that kept popping out. So I'm going to tap that back in there. And I'm going to see about ordering probably 2 new tires. Well, I don't know, maybe 4 tires. Like I said, normally I wouldn't spend any money on it, but this thing runs like a scalded dog when it runs. So anyway. That's all that took. The only thing I didn't do was I didn't measure to see how wide my pipe needs to be. So roughly we need to be about 2 3/4 of an inch for that. I'm going to look around the house a little bit more. I might have something a little smaller in diameter than that, but if not, we'll just use that, and that'll keep those spread apart where they need to be. Sit tight. Okay, we got our piece of plastic cut, we got our wheels back on. What I'm going to have to do is that when you get these spread out where they need to be, then it won't clear over here. So we're going to have to put a split down the middle of that and then force it down on there. But it'll be okay, I promise. I'm a professional, don't do this at home. Just like that. Problem solved. Now what we got to do is wait for our carburetor stuff to get back, and then I'll bring you back. Sit tight.